Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys an easier way to blur out your face on CapCut PC. So just go to effects and go to body effects for it, then go to the effects one here, or you can just kind of scroll through it. I'm just trying to find this one. I think, oh yeah, it's in mask. Then you're just going to select face mosaic, sorry. Then you're just going to add it. I know it's a different kind of blur, but you can adjust the size of the mosaic and you can also adjust the range here as well. But it does do the job and it adds it way easier than like the blur effect. You can also add in other effects, but it's like the pro feature, so I suggest you just doing this one. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.